Good morning, students. Welcome to your EVS class. So, students, in last class, we have completed with the chapter number 14, Animals Around Us. In this chapter, we have learned about the different types of animals and we have studied about them in detail. So, what are the different types of animals? So, the different types of animals are pet animals, okay, the animals which can be kept inside the house are called pet animals. Then domestic animals, the animals which are kept on the farm, the animals which are kept on the farm and they give us many useful things, they are known as domestic animals. Then wild animals, these animals generally found in the jungles and they are very dangerous, okay, and we cannot stay together with these animals, and generally we cannot tame these animals or we cannot train these animals to live together with us, okay. Next, milk animals. Milk animals are those animals which provide us milk, okay, and they are like cow, buffalo, goat, they all are known as milk animal and they generally stay in the shade uh, which is created by the human beings, okay. Then the mammals is that type of animal which give birth to their babies and they feed their young ones with their own milk. मैमल्स ये ऐसा एनिमल है जो अपने बच्चों को जन्म दे के पैदा करता है और बाकी सारे मैमल्स के अलावा जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं वो अपने बच्चों को जन्म नहीं देते हैं बल्कि वो एग्स जो होते हैं एनिमल एग्स या अंडे जो होते हैं अंडे से ही उनके बच्चे बाहर आते हैं और यानी अंडे के मार्फत एग्स के थ्रू उनके बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, ओके. Then amphibians are those animals which can live in water as well as on the land. जो animals water और land दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, amphibians. Then we have discussed about the type of animal which is known as reptiles, okay. So reptiles are those animals which crawl along the ground. जो animals ज़मीन के ऊपर रेंगते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं, reptiles. Then rodents are those animals which are small in size and they have sharp teeth. rodents ऐसे animals होते हैं जो साइज में कम होते हैं, आकार में छोटे होते हैं और उनके teeth, उनके दांत बहुत ही ज़्यादा sharp होते हैं. Then the next type of animal was insects. Insects are those animals which have 6 legs and wings. They can fly as well, yes. And what are the examples of the insects? The examples of the insects are honeybee, ant, mosquito, grasshopper, etc., etc. Then the birds are those animals which can fly. They have wings, feathers, beak and 2 legs, okay, and generally they live on the tree where they make their nest, okay. So in this way we have studied about the different types of the animals and now we will move on to the exercises related to this chapter. So the first exercise A, fill in the blanks using correct options. So we have to fill up the blanks using the correct options given over here. First question, birds generally live on trees by making their dash dash. So birds कहाँ पे रहते हैं और किस में रहते हैं, ऐसे यहाँ पे पूछा है और ऑप्शंस है वेब, नेस्ट, होल, डेन. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज नेस्ट, ओके. बर्ड्स पेड़ों के ऊपर रहते हैं अपना घोंसला बना के, ऐसे इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग है. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, a dog lives in a dash dash. So generally dog lives in a small house. That house is known as kennel. Dog's house name is kennel, okay. A dog lives in a kennel. Den is not the dog's house. Den is the lion house, okay. Cave is the tiger house. Kennel is known as the dog's house and stable is known as the horse house, okay. Third one, A dash dash lives in a shelter made by humans. Does elephant live in the shelter made by humans? No. Elephant is the wild animal. Elephant cannot stay in the shelter which is been made by the humans. Next, cow. Does cow stay in the shelter which is been made by the humans? Yes. So correct option over here will be cow. काऊ ही ये एक ऐसा एनिमल है या जानवर है जो आदमियों द्वारा बनाए गए शेल्टर में रहते हैं. लायन नहीं, लायन भी हमारे बनाए हुए शेल्टर्स में नहीं रहते. लायंस जंगल में रहते हैं, अपनी गुफा में या अपनी डेन में. ओके. Zebra. Zebra is also wild animal, so zebra cannot stay in the shelter which is been made by the humans. Okay, so correct option over here will be cow. Next, fourth. A camel is called dash dash of desert. A camel is called dog of the desert? No, it will be a wrong option. King? No. Ship? Yes. A camel is called ship of the desert. बीस्ट भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं, ये भी रॉन्ग है. इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा शिप. नेक्स्ट, बी. गिव वन वर्ड आंसर यूजिंग वर्ड्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स. सो वी हैव टू गिव वन वर्ड आंसर फॉर these given words. Okay. First, deer's baby. What we call to deer's baby? So deer's baby is known as फॉन. ओके. डियर बेबी को, डियर के बच्चे को यानी हिरण के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? फॉन कहते हैं. बेबी ऑफ एन एलिफेंट. व्हाट डू वी कॉल टू द एलिफेंट बेबी? व्हाट डू वी कॉल टू एलिफेंट बेबी? सो एलिफेंट बेबी इज नोन एज calf. ओके. Now, home for cats. So what is the name of the place or what is the name of the cat's home? So cat's home is known as basket, or cat stays in the basket. Where elephants live. So where do we find elephants? Generally we find elephants in the forest. Where hens live. Where hens live? द प्लेस वेयर हेन्स लिव, मतलब जहाँ पर मुर्गियाँ रहती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको बोलते हैं कूप. उनका जो पिंजरा होता है जिसमें हम मुर्गियों को रखते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कूप. बेबी ऑफ अ गोट. बेबी ऑफ अ गोट इज नोन एज किड. ओके. छोटी जो गोट होती है, जो बेबी गोट होती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? किड. शेल्टर फॉर काउज. व्हाट इज द नेम फॉर अ शेल्टर फॉर काउज? सो नेम फॉर द शेल्टर फॉर काउज इज शेड. जहाँ पे काउज या गायों को हम बांध के रखते हैं उस शेल्टर को क्या बोलते हैं? उस शेल्टर को हम बोलते हैं शेड. डॉग्स बेबी. सो डॉग्स बेबी इज नोन एज पपी. जो छोटा डॉग का बेबी होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको पपी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट, exercise number C. In this, match the animals to their babies. Write their names also. So we have to match the animals with their babies and we have to write their names as well. So first of all, horse with the horse baby. Okay. Then lion with the lion baby, hen with the hen baby, sheep with the sheep baby, and cow with the cow baby. Okay. So lion baby is known as cub, hen baby is known as chick, sheep baby is known as lamb, cow baby is known as calf, and horse baby is known as fawn. Fawn, fawn. Okay. So lion baby is known as cub, hen baby is known as chick, sheep baby is known as lamb, cow baby is known as calf, and horse baby is known as fawn. Okay, in this way. Next, exercise D. Answer the following. How many legs does an insect have? So the answer of this question will be insects have 6 legs. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि इंसेक्ट को कितने पैर होते हैं, तो आंसर आएगा इंसेक्ट को 6 पैर होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर बर्ड्स? Birds are those animals which can fly. They have feathers, wings and beak. So यहाँ पे पूछा है birds कौन होते हैं या birds किसे कहते हैं. So birds उन्हें कहते हैं जो एनिमल्स फ्लाई कर सकते हैं और जिनके पास feathers होते हैं, पंख होते हैं और एक चोंच होती है. ओके. So basically in this question we have to mention the characteristics of the birds. Okay. Next, third one, name some animals that are kept in shelters made by humans. So in this question we have to give examples of those animals which live in the shelters made by the humans. हमारे द्वारा बनाए गए shelters में रहने वाले animals को हमने नाम बताने हैं. Okay. So answer is the animals which live in shelters made by humans are cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Okay, in this way we have finished with the exercises from the chapter number 14, and I have given you the few additional questions from the same chapter which you have to learn as well. Okay, so those questions are: so additional questions from chapter number 14 are: question number 1, what are the different types of animals? So these questions you have to write in your EVS notebook. Okay, what are the different types of animals? So answer is following are the different types of animals: pet animals, domestic animals, not domesticated animals, domestic animals, wild animals, milch animals, mammals, and amphibians, reptiles, birds and insects. These are the different types of animals. Okay. Next, question number 2, what are mammals? Give 2 examples of it. So in this question they are asking us what is mean by mammal and we have to give 2 examples of it. इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि मैमल किसे कहते हैं और 2 उदाहरण देने हैं मैमल्स के. ओके, सो आंसर इज मैमल्स आर दोज एनिमल्स विच गिव बर्थ टू देयर बेबीज एंड फीड देम विद देयर ओन मिल्क. सो मैमल्स यह वो प्राणी होते हैं, वो जानवर होते हैं जो अपने बच्चों को जन्म देते हैं, पैदा करते हैं और फिर उनको पालन पोषण उनके लिए वो अपने दूध से उनको पालन पोषण करते हैं. ठीक है. एंड द एग्जाम्पल्स आर ह्यूमन्स. ओके, ह्यूमन्स, एलिफेंट, हॉर्स, गोट एक्सेट्रा. तो इसके एग्जाम्पल कौन है? ह्यूमन्स मतलब हम, मानव जाति को क्या बोलते हैं? ह्यूमन्स. एलिफेंट्स, horse, goat are the examples of the mammals. And the last question number 3, what are amphibians? The answer is the animals that can live both in water and on land are called amphibians. So इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि amphibians किसे कहते हैं. So आंसर है amphibians उन animals को कहते हैं जो animals पानी में और ज़मीन पर दोनों जगह रह सकते हैं, उनको amphibians कहते हैं. ओके, इन दिस वे वी हैव completed with all the exercises from the chapter number 14, and if you have any doubt or queries or you didn't understand about any specific type of the animal, you can ask me, and I want you to write all the questions in your notebook as well, which I have done in my classwork notebook. So I want you to complete those questions in your notebook as well. Okay, and till then, thank you. Have a nice day.